Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is the weekend. Today, I want to go through the missing piece preventing most marketers, that's you, from having success. And it's understanding funnels. If you don't have a basic understanding of funnels, how they work and how to work them, you will not have the key to unlocking more income in your business. Funnel building is not optional in 2025 and beyond. Without them, you simply can't gain any clarity on your customers. You can't multiply conversions. You can't reveal the real truth about your numbers. What is the point of tracking anything if you don't know what it really means? And then, of course, we don't want to make one sale and then go right back to the beginning and grind and grind and grind. 2 months later, we have another sale. We want to be able to build scalable, predictable growth. And without understanding and being able to eventually use funnels, you won't be able to do that. Bottom line is, without funnels, your business isn't just behind, it's invisible, unpredictable, and unscalable. Funnels are the difference between struggling for survival and building a machine that grows on autopilot. Okay, so everyone knows that funnels are the way to grow your business. But what almost nobody knows is how to do it. It's complex, and I'm going to show you a way to hit the easy button, and I'm going to show you my story of overwhelm and pulling my hair out trying to fix it and what I did to fix it. So, proof about funnels. You can't generate leads if you don't have a lead generation funnel. This is probably the most important of all funnels because it's virtually impossible to make sales without generating an audience of leads. You need a funnel to warm up your visitor. If you are sending your visitor directly to the vendor page, that equals virtually zero conversions 100% of the time. Membership funnels get people into a paid community or subscription. Sales funnel, that's the one we want. We want to sell, 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 sell. And then product launch funnels, okay? On top of the ones I mentioned, there's dozens and dozens of other funnels that all have specific purposes. So understanding, like I already told you, funnels is the key. So what do I mean by that? I don't mean building a funnel today. I mean understanding them. You need to look at a funnel blueprint and you need to see, what do I actually have to do to copy a simple funnel? And that's where I started. I'm going to show you an exercise in frustration that I went through and before I figured out a better way, okay? First, you need a tool to experiment and plan out a funnel. I'm going to show you that in a minute. This will build your understanding. And once you have a planned out funnel structure you like, launch it, because it's simple to take that plan and press the launch button and you are in the funnel business. So my funnel adventures. Years ago, I come across a company called Funnelytics. And what I got from them and what it allowed me to do was play around and plan my funnels. They don't have that option anymore. And now, if you want their software so that you can do that, and you have about 10,000 visitors per month, they start at $129. If you want full customer journey insights and all that stuff, it's $349 per month. I'm not kidding you. I have the starter plan. It's $790 per year. Okay? So when I originally bought it, what I bought it was for this purpose. So if I wanted to create, let's say, an opt-in page, I'd drag this on here. So then I'd have to say to myself, well, what do I need after an opt-in page? Well, I would need a download page, right? So maybe that's my simple funnel. And I can draw something here to let myself know that this is how I can connect it. Now, remember I told you I'm going to talk to you about frustration? I loved this planning phase. That really helped me to understand. But the minute I tried to implement the rest of it, I started getting this, and I'm no beginner. I paid $800 a year to be able to do this, and I can't get this successfully hooked up in any of the sites where I'm doing it. Okay, we have to create something better for you. Not only better, but how about if we added video to the funnel process? So I'm going to let you go through all of these things. You know, gone are these $97 monthly fees. We're going to have, drag and drop funnel builder, pre-built funnel pages. What that means is the minute you make one of these, like a front end page, it creates the page for you. I explain all that stuff below in a full demo video. Video integration on every page. There's no point having a funnel if you don't have video. That's why we call this VidFunnelz. You can customize the branding, checkout flexibility, add sales elements to your pages, import, export to funnels, advanced tracking pixels, A/B testing, time elements, all with a crazy easy button. In below, like I said, if you check out the demo, you are going to see that if this is your first day to the internet marketing realm, you will see that you will be able to build one of these. This is the powerful magic inside of VidFunnelz. With VidFunnelz, you're going to be able to build funnels for everything. And we got some simple pricing. Simple, simple, simple. You can create up to 5 video funnel campaigns, one-time cost of $5. VidFunnelz Pro is 15 video funnel campaigns, one-time $15. And then, of course, with the power of videos, unlimited funnels, particularly if you're going to be putting funnels that are going to have long-term impact in your business. You want to be able to build dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of them. One-time cost of $25, which includes the bonuses below that have a real, factual, actual retail price greater than the cost of this offer. Don't forget to watch my video, watch my demo video below, then click the button that makes the best sense for your business. I'll see you on the inside.